Good morning, you guys. This is your girl Monet coming to you live. Coming to you. Ouch. This camera's so heavy, y'all. Coming to you live, baby. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos. You already know what's up. You already know what's good. You already know. It's Shapoppin. It's time to get back to school today. You already read that title, so you already know what's up. So let's go back to FSU.
Shout it be wet, dope in the block, beat down the block. The best thing I got, she is my rock. She is my rock. She is my rock. Bust at the hold down the spot, beats with the block. Shout it be wet, dope in the block, beat down the block. It's another one. I got that juice, new AP. She got that juice. She got that squeeze. She got that wet. I'm on them skis. I got that drip. I'm overseas. BRIPPING. I got that VVSICE. Oh, feel like a cool. Juice, glitter on my jewel. I got stones on my neck, blood on my set, water on my wrist, drip, glitter on my bitch. My ex was a waitress, so I get it.
In here. Hello. Come on up.
We got something else. I go up that way on Thursdays and Fridays.
Okay. Y'all, it's been a day.
I said, well, I got more than what I bargained.
Only the beginning, y'all. It's only the beginning. Alright, you guys. I have finally moved in. So yeah, you already know. I go to FSU. I would do a room tour, but that's a little privacy. I don't know. I still got a lot of work to do to this room, to this house. And you already know I'm coming to you live every day, baby, with new videos. If it's not tomorrow, it's the next day. So you already know, subscribe, like this video. And you already know you're going to catch me around campus, floating around. Peace.